Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am very excited to be here today and introduce you to what this channel is all about. Let me introduce myself. I am Trinath Panda and I am a pharmacist and a clinical research coordinator by profession. So let me explain you about what this channel is all about. So I will say I am very passionate about data. So most probably this channel will be all about developing skills and data driven projects, evidence based research videos. Okay, so now you can say, what makes you difference? Like most of YouTubers makes videos on data projects and everything. So what make you unique? So what I will say is that let me give you a scenario. Okay, let me give you an example. If I'm going to talk about any data driven projects or skill to develop, so don't worry, the thing I will share, the way I will share, it will be the unique. I think like if my next video is on SQL project on healthcare data set, I will share you my experience, okay, my learning curve, like from where and how did I learn that skill, part of skill, and I will share it with you. So like I can say that I am also kind of person like you only, like who don't have much knowledge about data analytics, statistics, engineering, or kind of everything, these all things. But I also learned from, I will explain that from where I did learn and from where you can also learn. Okay, so we will talk about me in some later videos. Okay, so currently I'm very excited to share my experience, share my knowledge through this YouTube channel. It will be very appreciable if you like this video, and make sure you join our journey by subscribing my YouTube channel, and thank you.